Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of FuboTV and showing you how to record and save all your favorite content. It's super simple, so grab your remote and let's get started. Okay, the first thing you'll want to do is find the show, game, or movie you want to record. You can do this either through the live guide, by browsing the sports section, or by using the search function. Once you've found what you want, click on it to bring up the details. Now you should see a few options. Look for the record button. It might have a little recording icon next to it. Click that button. This will typically give you a choice of recording either the specific episode or game you selected, or recording the entire series. If you're recording a single game or episode, just select that option. But if you want to record every episode of a show, go ahead and choose the series recording option. FuboTV will then automatically record all future episodes as they air, which is super convenient if you never want to miss an episode of your favorite shows. Next, let's talk about finding your recordings. Head over to the My Stuff section of FuboTV. This is where all your recordings are stored. Think of it like your own personal DVR library in the cloud. You'll usually find My Stuff in the navigation menu, either at the top or on the side of your screen, depending on your device. Once you're in the My Stuff section, you'll see your recordings organized by show or event. Simply click on the show or event you want to watch, and then select the specific episode or game. Hit play, and you're good to go. You can watch your recordings anytime, anywhere, as long as you have an internet connection and access to your FuboTV account. Finally, what if you want to delete a recording? Well, just go back to the My Stuff section, find the recording you want to remove, and look for a delete option. It might be a trash can icon or a button labeled delete. Confirm that you want to delete it, and it will be removed from your recordings library. Remember that deleting a show that's set to record as a series will not cancel the series recording. You have to cancel that separately in the recording settings. That's all there is to it. Recording and saving content on FuboTV is a breeze. Now you can catch all your favorite shows and games on your own schedule. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.